Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, a splash of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, decide on your fillings. Popular choices include grated cheese, diced ham, sautéed mushrooms, or fresh chives. Ensure you have a good quality nonstick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter, to prevent sticking and ensure easy flipping. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk or cream, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, place your nonstick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil. Swirl the pan to ensure the butter melts and coats the entire cooking surface evenly, preventing any sticking. Once your pan is hot and buttered, pour in the whisked egg mixture. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked liquid egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. Now, add your desired fillings to 1/2 of the omelet. Finally, it's time to fold and serve your delicious omelet. Once your fillings are in place, carefully slide your spatula under the unfilled half and fold it over the filled side. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 seconds if you prefer it more well done, then gently slide the perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve immediately to enjoy its warm, fluffy texture. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.